Today I will show you how to install Google Play on the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet with Alexa without rooting. Coming up, roll the intro. Hey name tags and welcome, this is Ash from Heal My Tech, helping you go from newbie to techie. So in theory, this should also work with any other models of the Amazon tablets. There are 6 easy to follow steps in this tutorial. This is for educational purpose and it will require you to download external third-party files which are not officially supported by the manufacturer of this device, so do at your own risk. As you can see, I've got Google Play installed and running on this one already, so we're going to put that to the side. I'm going to install it on the other one, the yellow one. So step 1, scroll down and go to settings, look for security and privacy. Mine currently has a password for parental control, so I'm just going to put that in. And what you need to do, make sure that by default this apps from unknown sources is going to be unselected. Make sure you select it. Okay, it's going to give you some warnings, so go ahead and accept that. Now at this stage you need to press the power button to put the screen to sleep. If you don't do that, you may find out that while you're trying to download and install the links, that the links for install would be grayed out. So now go back to the home screen. Okay, step number 3 is open your Silk browser. Now, clearly I have not yet uploaded this video, but the description and the links will be contained in the description in the YouTube video. However, I'm going to use this blog from my website. It's a temporary page, so after this I probably will delete it. But if it is uploaded, I will put the link below. So what I want you to do, if you're watching this video on the Amazon tablet, so open up the Silk browser, go to my video, and then go to the URL link, press and hold. So you want to copy that, and then open another tab, and press and hold to paste it, and click on go. In that way, you have 2 tabs of the same video. One you keep for the tutorial to follow, the other one you can keep to look for the various links to download, because I've seen a few YouTube video tutorials where the download links were very close to each other, and on the tablet it's quite difficult to do. Now follow the links in the description step by step. There are 4 things to download. You start with Google Services Framework, click on that. It's going to take you to this page. Click on download. It's going to give you a warning. Just click on download and open. Click on next and install. Click done. Now go back. And now you need to do the second one, Google Play Service. Click, select download Google Play Services.apk, press OK. This one will take a little bit longer. Okay, click open, click next, next, and install. The installation will also take a bit longer. Click on done, go back. Now go to the third link, which is Google Account Manager. Click on that. Go down, click on download Google Account Manager.apk, click OK, and click open, next, next, click on install, and that's done. Now go back to do the last one, which is Google Play Store. Click on that, go down, download Play Store.apk, click on OK, click on open, click on next, install, and we're done. This was the last file. Click on done. Now you can go and check. Go to the home button and scroll down. You're going to see Play Store. Open it, and this is the last step. You just need to sign in with your Google account, or if you haven't got one, you just need to create one. So I'm going to do that. Put your password. I've just entered my details, just accept, and you can choose to have your backup or not. That's up to you. Click on next, and you can choose to put your payment info, or just click on no thanks for now and continue. And there you have it. You've got Google Play installed. Okay guys, so if you would like me to do a review of this tablet, let me know in the comment section below. I bought this from Amazon for $49.99 on Black Friday. Normal price is $79.99 from Amazon. This video was not sponsored, but there are affiliate links below in the description. Consider using them if you want to purchase anything from Amazon, or otherwise any purchase you make will give the channel a small kickback without costing you anything extra. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with others. As always, it was a pleasure talking to you. This was Ash from In My Tech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Until next time, peace out.